Hey guys, it's your girl Quanda Yvette and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please make sure you subscribe and double tap that bell so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. So it's been a while since I posted a video, I know, but I'm back. And it is fall everywhere except for Florida. It's getting cold. We don't even know what fall feels like or looks like. But the first side of a cold front, we're throwing on boots. That's a boot day. That's a boot day. But today I wanted to do a fall look for you guys because this is my favorite time of the year. I love dark makeup. I love a deep smoky eye. I love a dark burgundy lip, and that is what I want to do for you guys. I actually think I want to do a series of fall looks for you because there are so many different fall looks that you can do. You can use deep burgundies, you can use mahogany colors, you can use like a deep auburn color, and I wanted to just bring some of that to my channel for you guys. So if you are interested, please stay tuned and let's get into this video. Alright guys, so eyebrows are done. I wanted to do those off camera just so that I could save some time on this video. But here I'm applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer to the dark areas as well as the light areas on my face, just so that I can have an even tone when I apply my foundation. I do apply it to my neck as well because I do have dark spots there, just so that I can give an even application all the way through. Now I'm applying my favorite foundation by CoverGirl. It is their True Blend foundation, and I absolutely love it. Now onto the eyes. I am applying a orange eyeshadow just as a transition color. Nothing major. It just helps with the blending when I do apply the rest of my eyeshadow. Now on to the black. I will look crazy. I am using a pencil because I just need something for the eyeshadow to stick on, and so that it makes it a little bit more pigmented. I'll look crazy for a little bit. But now I'm applying the black eyeshadow on top of the black pencil. It gives me a matte look as well as makes that eyeshadow last all day really, and I don't have to touch up anything. I do look like a raccoon. So now I'm using that same brush that I used to apply the orange eyeshadow to blend in that black line so that it's not so harsh, just so that I can get an even eyeshadow all across my lid. Now I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and pretty much applying it on top of the orange eyeshadow. No reason, it just gives me a good mixture so my brown is not too dark. And I blend it in with the black just so that I don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm taking a lighter eyeshadow and just applying that underneath my brow bone. I don't like shimmer or glitter underneath my brows or gold, so I just use a lighter eyeshadow. Now for the highlighting, I'm just taking a highlighter that's not too light and applying that underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I don't really like to look too white when I do highlights, so anything that blends in perfectly with my skin, I am all for it. And you see me use my foundation brush just to blend in those harsh lines. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is really my first time using it, and I have to say that I am in love. And I'm just taking that and applying that on top of the highlighted areas on my face. So now onto the powder. I just apply it all over, really. I do apply my powder on top of my highlighted areas just because I don't like to look too light. So it just lightens up, it darkens up the highlighted areas. Yet again, you can still see that it is highlighted, I guess you could say. Now for my contour, I don't like a defined contour. So I use powders to contour the hollows of my cheeks. And really, I don't use a brown. I'm using a deep purple. It is a trick that my mom taught me when I was young, just because I didn't have contour powders that match my skin tone. Now for my lips, I am using a burgundy crayon that I get from my local Sally's. I've been using the same crayon for like 6 or 7 years. I love it. It is burgundy, and I use it sometimes to fill in my whole lip, or just as a lip liner. I use it when I wear my red lips, as well as my dark burgundy lips. Today will be going pretty dark, and I just line my lips. This is matte, so it gives me a good finish. My lipstick does not move at all when I wear this lip liner. I guess this is purple, not burgundy. Whatever, it looks good. And that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I do plan to do a fall series with different looks. This is pretty different. I haven't done something like this on my page. I typically stick to the natural colors, but I want to bring something different to you guys from now on. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Please make sure that you like, subscribe to my channel, like this video, double tap that bell so that you're notified when I do post a new video. Thank you for watching. Peace.